Good morning, students. Now we are going through the text of mercy. The quality of mercy is not strength. It droppeth as the rain from heaven upon the place beneath. It is twice blessed. It blessed him that gives and him that takes. This mightiest in the mightiest, it becomes the throned monarch better than his crown. His sceptre shows the force of temporal power, the attribute to awe and majesty, wherein doth sit the dread and fear of kings. But mercy is above this sceptre's sway. It is enthroned in the hearts of kings. It is an attribute to God Himself, and earthly power doth then so like as God's when mercy seasons justice. William Shakespeare. Meaning of difficult hard words. Strain means forced. Droppeth, drops. Beneath, below. Mightiest, most powerful. Throned monarch, king seated on throne. Sceptre, royal rod of the king. Temporal, worldly. Attribute, all majesty, fear, and king. Dread, fear, sceptred sway, ruled by power and authority, given a highness that does seasons is mixed with. First, I am going to elaborate first 5 lines. The quality of mercy to is mightiest. The mightiest. Lines 1 to 4. Portia says that mercy is a noble virtue, not forced. None can be forced. To be one can be forced to be a merciful. It is a natural quality of man. The poet compares mercy to the gentle rain. Rain from sky to the earth. So, mercy hurts pain. These also double blessings. It blesses both the giver and the receiver. The man who shows mercy does something noble. The man who receives mercy is fortunate. Mercy is the most powerful quality of the most powerful persons. Note: there is a proper use of simile in the line "It droppeth as the gentle rain from heaven." Simile means in Hindi upma. Okay. Thank you, students. Goodbye.